Troll tutorial, how to have a pet.
Hello guys. My name is Trollface. I wanted to have a pet bird, but my mum seemed to not want a pet. So narrator, let's start the tutorial.
Step 1. Look up for a pet shop online. Step 2. Head to the shop.
Why is the shop far?
Hello, sir. Would you need some pet food or a new pet?
Nah bro, I just want that cockatiel.
Okay then, that would be 4.99 trollbits.
I will pay you 4.99 trollbits by subscribing. Like and subscribe for trollbits.
Step 3. Ignore the warning.
This is a dangerous bird that is a cannibal. It is not a bird, it is a creature, but it mutates. I don't know what its final form is like, but I heard that the mutation is creepy. But are you sure you? Yes, I'm sure to take the bird. Okay, I will get a more sturdy cage for the bird. Okay.
Here you go.
Step 4. Sleep. Step 4. Wake up at 3 o'clock a.m.
I'm kind of hungry for some chips. I'm going to the kitchen. How weird, I stepped on something. Mom, you're dead.
Hey, troll face, look up.
Oh.